Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a PHP developer, you know Laravel is the gold standard. And today, we're diving into the latest major release, Laravel 12, which landed in February of 2025. Laravel 12, released in February 2025, is primarily a maintenance-focused release rather than one packed with numerous flashy new features. The Laravel team has adopted a strategy of delivering new features continuously throughout the year in minor updates, using major yearly releases like Laravel 12 to handle dependency updates and PHP version compatibility. This approach aims to provide a smoother developer experience and minimize upgrade pain points. However, despite being maintenance-focused, Laravel 12 still brings several significant enhancements and improvements across various aspects of the framework. Here's a breakdown of what Laravel 12 entails. 1. Focus on stability and performance. Optimize performance and scalability. Laravel 12 introduces several under-the-hood optimizations for faster routing. Enhanced caching mechanisms, including asynchronous caching for quicker data retrieval and reduced bottlenecks, and improved memory management. These contribute to faster application startup, better resource utilization, and the ability to handle higher traffic loads. Modern PHP compatibility. It continues to require PHP 8.2 as the minimum supported version, leveraging the latest PHP performance improvements and security updates. This includes features like just-in-time, JIT, compilation for accelerated code execution, .xxhash for hashing. Laravel 12 now uses xxhash instead of MD5 for hashing algorithms, offering significant speed improvements, especially in caching and generating unique identifiers. Point 2. Enhanced developer experience. New starter kits. A key highlight is the introduction of modern, opinionated starter kits for React, Vue, and Livewire. These kits come pre-configured with modern front-end tools like Inertia.js, TypeScript, Tailwind CSS, and Shadcn UI components. They also include built-in authentication flows, login, registration, password reset, email verification, and optional WorkOS AuthKit integration for enterprise-grade authentication features like SSO and passkeys. These starter kits are pulled from separate GitHub repos, giving developers complete control over the code. AI-powered debugging assistant. Laravel 12 aims to make debugging easier with an AI-powered assistant. The debug method can check data in real time, identify potential issues, and offer helpful suggestions, replacing older techniques like DD and dump. Improved artisan commands. New and enhanced artisan commands simplify tasks like migrations, debugging, and maintenance with better prompts, auto-suggestions, and logging. Streamlined dependency injection. It embraces PHP 8's property promotion, reducing boilerplate code and simplifying constructor definitions. Enhanced application structure. A more refined and organized directory structure makes it easier to navigate, manage, and scale projects. Configuration files are more intuitive. Point 3. Advanced features and tools. Advanced query builder enhancements. The query builder receives new methods and syntax enhancements, such as nested where, to simplify complex database queries and make code cleaner. Eloquent ORM also sees improvements with features like conditional eager loading and filtered relationships. Enhanced API development. Laravel 12 makes API development more powerful with native GraphQL support and a new API versioning system. This allows for fetching only necessary data, reducing payload size, and improving response times. Improved real-time capabilities. Enhanced WebSocket handling and event broadcasting make it easier and more efficient to build real-time applications, like live chat systems, notifications, and dynamic dashboards. Security enhancements, stronger validation methods, advanced encryption protocols, and built-in support for secure password policies bolster application defenses against common vulnerabilities. Enhanced job and queue management. Improvements include dynamic prioritization, delayed job retries, and better queue insights for more efficient background task orchestration. Modern DevOps integration. Better support for containerization, automated deployments, and CI/CD pipelines streamlines the transition from development to production. UUID v7 for models. Models using the HasUIDs trait now generate time-ordered UUID v7 instead of random UUID v4. which can lead to leaner database indexes and faster queries in high-traffic applications. MariaDB native CLI support. Laravel 12 introduces native command line tool support for MariaDB, offering smoother migrations and schema operations. Key. Changes/breaking changes. Minimal. While Laravel 12 aims for minimal breaking changes, some things to be aware of include str is now matches multi-line strings. If your code depended on str is wildcard patterns not matching new line characters. This is a breaking change. MariaDB schema dump uses native CLI tools. Ensure Myriad dump and Myriad are available in your environment. If you use MariaDB, response factory contract updated * custom implementations might need updating. Removed restore method in global scopes. Laravel 12 removes support for using the restore method in global scopes, encouraging explicit overrides in individual models for clearer behavior with soft deleted models. Route helper function now only supports string-based route names. Conclusion. Laravel 12 reinforces the framework's commitment to performance, stability, and an exceptional developer experience. While it doesn't introduce a multitude of flashy new features, its focus on refining core functionalities, providing modern tooling through new starter kits, and continuous incremental improvements make it a robust and reliable choice for building and scaling web applications. The emphasis is on making the development process smoother, more efficient, and more secure. What are you most excited about in Laravel 12? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it thumbs up, share it with your fellow developers, and definitely subscribe for more tutorials and deep dives like this one. Hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy coding!